This is the embed board that we're using for our project Keep in Touch. As you can see, it has a bunch of wires attached to it, which we attach to a breadboard. The green wires indicate each one of the fingers that are attached to our glove, and we have a voltage divider, as you can see here. And this is how we connect our force sensors to the embed board. If you see those yellow wires, those correspond to the power input for the embed. Now, if we pan over to our force sensor, you see a piezo resistor, and this is what we're using for a force sensor. So it detects changes in resistance, and based on changes in resistance, we detect whether a finger was pressed or not, and we will eventually use this force reading to compare with key input on the computer. Each one of these sensors is attached to each one of the fingertips on the glove, as you see here. This is a prototype currently. But yeah, we have each piezo resistor attached to each fingertip, and it's going to send force readings along the breadboard to the embed board, and that's when we're going to detect the data and do some processing on the embed board before sending it to the computer and comparing whether we used the correct finger to press the correct key.
So here we see the GUI, the computer program for Keep in Touch. It's rather simple. As you can see, there is sentence to type, which displays the current passage that we want the user to type. And at the end of typing the passage, you'll be presented with what you type, the words per minute, the percentage correct. Near the bottom left-hand corner, you see there's a key. And basically, when you finish your passage, it will display what you typed, but in different letters corresponding to whether you typed the key correct, but the finger wrong, or various combinations of these situations. In addition, you can also see we have 10 different boxes, and as you type, basically the box corresponding to the next finger that you should use to type will light up in yellow. Here we see the output when a user attempts to type all the keys correctly. In a traditional typing program, this output would be correct, but as you can see near the end, the user typed the last 3 letters with the wrong finger, and this is what our typing program detects. Here we see what happens when the user types the second and fourth word incorrectly. However, the user knows how to type with correct fingers. So as you can see, magenta means that the user typed the incorrect key, but with the finger meant to type that incorrect key.